Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And of recent, I've seen some comments about D8G kernel. You're trying to flash it on Pixel Experience, you're trying to flash it on some other ROM. I also see a lot of you recommending D8G kernel. So here is my take on D8G kernel. Now, the first thing I would like to mention here is that I am not a hater and I do not disrespect anybody's work. You put in the hard work, you get respect. The next thing is I am not a pro at kernel stuff, or I am not knowledgeable enough at kernel stuff. And then you will ask, hey Manchi, why the heck are you making this video then? Well, my answer to that is if you're not an expert, you listen to the experts, right? That is what you do. That is how you learn. That is how you grow in life. So the experts here say that D8G kernel along with a bunch of other kernels are not safe for your device, and their reasons are: 1. They overclock the screen and the GPU to extreme limits, and then they do not care about the end result. The end result could be as bad as you having a soft brick, a hard brick, broken touch, broken device. That is what the end result could be. That is the worst case bad scenario. Then the thing which ticks me, or the thing which I don't like, is they are not open source. Android kernels should be open source. That's it. Now I do know that most of the Poco F1 users are gamers. We play PUBG, we play our games. Me personally, I'm not a huge gamer. Every now and then I will play a game just to have some fun, but yes, most of you out there are hardcore gamers. So the question which I would ask myself if I were a hardcore gamer is, would I want to play a game at say 125% performance of my device and risk breaking the device, or would I rather play it at 90-95% of my device's performance and have a device at the end of the day? That is the question which needs to be asked. Me personally, I would choose the second option. I would rather play at 90-95% of my device's maximum performance capacity and have a device at the end of the day. By having a device, I mean a working device. I don't want a brick which has say touch issues, hardware issues, doesn't turn on, has boot loops. I don't want all those things. And because it is a personal preference, I can only advise you. So here I am making a video letting you know that why D8G kernel is not recommended, and it's not just one group. You might come and say that people hate D8G. Well, trust me, haters are always less than the people who love you. That is a fact which I have seen. But the fact that all major Telegram groups do not recommend D8G and the other kernels, and this includes the official Telegram group, the .os group, the unofficial EvoX group, the Corvus OS group. These are awesome developers, and if they have in their groups mentioned that there is no support for D8G and you might even get a free ban, goes on to say the level of trust they have in that specific kernel. Why not the other kernels? Why are they not against other kernels is the question, right? So there has to be something wrong. As I mentioned earlier in the video, when you're not an expert at something, then you need to trust the experts. So eventually, in the end, all I would say is any ROM, because I do get comments about why are you not reviewing ROM KT Pro. For starters, I don't do reviews, I just do first look videos which show you the features. Now, any ROM which is coming with D8G or any of these banned, not banned, sorry, wrong word, any of these kernels which are not recommended. So any ROM which is coming with any of the kernels which are not recommended will not be featured on this channel, plain and simple. I don't want my viewers to have a bricked device and then the next day they come and say in the comments, hey Manchi, you made a video on this ROM and now my device is bricked. I don't want that. And before we end, one last thing. A lot of you might come and say that, oh, I've been using it for the last X and X days, months, years, and I've had no issues. Well, good for you, good luck to you using it, and if you want to use it, keep on using it. Me personally, I don't recommend the kernel, plain and simple. So bottom line, Your device, your money, you want to set it on fire, be my guest. My personal advice, please, please, please try to stay away from these kernels which take your device to the extreme, because you might end up with a brick